Well, there's the airport pub, and the flooding is causing chaos. You've got to go all the way the end round. This main road is closed. I'll have to go for a swim in that. Look at all them wires there. Everything's shut. Just thought I'd show you, see what's going on. And if anyone wants directions, you can always text me, because you go around the other way. I know all the secret roads, little secret bits. There's traffic everywhere, the passenger buses are everywhere. And I'll be over at the pub in about 10 minutes. Which is there. They've been there all night, them cars, all night. Absolute chaos at the airport. And there's one coming in.